Hi everyone, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 23rd, 2020. The third puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars. So, before I start, I count all the numbers. I know the first Sudoku, a 1-star Sudoku, has 27 digits printed. The second one, 26, and probably this should be 25. But let's count the numbers. We have 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 2 is 10, 13, 16, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 3, 24. Oh, 24, yes, 24. Yeah, this is a 4-star Sudoku, so if it's a 3-star Sudoku, then it will be 25. This is 24 digits. Alright, 24. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So on the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Let's see, how about the numbers? We have in this column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 numbers missing now. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9. I cannot do anything. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 8? Yes, in the second row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait, but I mark them because those are pairs. 4 and 8, that means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 8, no, 8 we have 1, 9, 1, 9, and 5, I believe, yes, 1, 9, and 5. I see here 1 and 5, So in this box, no 1 and 5 here. That means the 9 is left. The 9 is left. 1, 5 and a 9. Yes, these 3 boxes. Here we have 1 and 5, so this should be the 9. 1 and a 5 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. That means this box should be also 4 and an 8. 4 and 8. These two numbers. The 9, yes. Here's supposed to be a 9. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? Yeah, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 2 should be there. That means in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next we have a 2 over there. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But we see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. So we have a 7 in this row, a 7 in one of those 3 boxes in the middle row. In the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for a 7 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. That means in this big square, 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 8 are missing. In this big square we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. These 2 missing numbers are the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 8 and 5. The other 3 numbers, the 1, the 4, and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4, here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. These two missing numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 5 is missing in the first column. 3 and a 5, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only two places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the middle big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 5, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 3, 5, and 9. I see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 3 and the 9 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 2. Yeah, long time no see the 2. Yes. How about these two numbers, 9 and the 8? No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. Long time no see the 2. 2 in the last column row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Then how about the number 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. In this row, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between. The only two places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 number left in the third row for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow! Faster than the two previous puzzles. I don't believe this. Four Stars Sudoku. So, is it really a 4 stars? I do not think so. Because I've told you a 4 stars Sudoku, if it's a really 4 stars, a hard one, I need more than 30 minutes to solve this. But I have solved this in 15 minutes, so I don't think it's a really 4 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. Probably I will do the binary first. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.